We're shooting vertical today. That's what we're doing. And we have the screen closed and hitting the record button to see a nice large 9x16 screen. We got these purple flowers. They're first coming out. There's one right there. Getting right up to 12 times lossless zoom. I have to always point down to grab the shot, and this is a shot we're grabbing of the cat right in front of the cone. Zooming right in, and there she is. I'm trying my best to center on the zucchini, the flower, and there she is. With the screen closed and hitting the record to turn on, you cannot selfie mode. You're going to have to use either the camera's setting or the joystick triple press. Well, that's the shots for today in 9x16. I hope you enjoy them all. What I have on the camera, boats, dogs, and just everyday shooting. And that's all the shots we have for today.